family members.
Family members.
Mommy and daddy.
Mommy and daddy.
Brother, sister.
Brother, sister.
Grandma, grandpa.
Grandma, grandpa.
We are a family.
We are a family.
Father,
Father,
father.
father,
Mother,
mother,
dad,
dad,
mom.
mom.
Father and mother called parents. Called parents. Called
Parents,
brother,
brother,
brother.
brother,
Sister,
sister,
brother and sister, siblings, siblings,
Siblings.
son,
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 daughter,
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 grandfather,
grandfather,
grandpa,
grandpa,
grandfather,
grandfather,
or grandpa,
or grandpa,
grandmother,
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 grandma,
grandma,
grandfather and grandmother, grandparents, grandparents,
parents,
okay, parents,
parents,
siblings,
siblings,
uncle,
uncle,
aunt.
and
Okay, if you mean the brother of your father, you can say paternal uncle.
paternal uncle.
If you mean
If you mean
the sister of your daddy, you
the
can
sister
say,
of the
okay, you can say paternal aunt. Paternal aunt. But
but
if you mean, just listen, if you mean the brother of your mother, you can say maternal uncle.
maternal uncle,
Maternal uncle.
maternal uncle,
And if you mean the sister of your mother, you can say maternal aunt. Maternal aunt. So repeat after me. Paternal uncle.
paternal uncle,
Paternal uncle.
paternal uncle,
Paternal aunt.
paternal aunt,
Maternal aunt.
maternal aunt,
Maternal uncle.
maternal uncle,
Okay. Cousin.
cousin,
Cousin.
cousin,
Nephew.
nephew,
Nephew.
nephew,
Niece.
niece,
Niece.
niece,
So, family members. Family members. I can say, I have a big family. I have a big.
family,
I have a big.
family.
We are 10 members. We are 10 members. I have a father and I have a mother. And I can say also, I have parents. I have parents. Okay? So father and mother called parents. Okay.